Fictiv has a global manufacturing partner network to be able to support our customers' full mechanical bill of materials.
Fictiv is a global company, and we're in 4 different regions right now. We're in the US, Mexico, China, and India.
Fictiv as a company is able to support the customer to the entire bill of material, which might comprise different processes, different materials.
Fictiv's aim is to simplify sourcing, and what that really means is helping our customers get their product to market fast and also in a cost-effective manner.
Ultimately, what this means for our customers is rapid iteration supported by guided expertise from Fictiv in order to de-risk their product design and de-risk their supply chain.
That's our key differentiator, the speed of solutions, and we're here to provide those solutions to you.
So in many cases, Fictiv becomes like a bolt-on supply chain for our customers.
Within Fictiv, we have a very strong manufacturing network. The selection of those MPs is based upon operational excellence, their capabilities and their capacity to provide us fast solutions, but also reliable solutions.
We have the algorithms to be able to make sure that we're scheduling that work to the right manufacturing partner who has the right capabilities, capacity, and reliability to be able to deliver on that product and on those expectations.
Fictiv has a very high standard for our manufacturing partners in terms of schedule, quality, and quality being prime.
No matter what region the parts are being produced in, a customer can expect consistency and reliability, and that the quality will be the same.
At Fictiv, we are often manufacturing what is at the edge of possible from a precision and from a complexity standpoint.
Fictiv believes in realizing hardware at the speed of software. It looks at new challenges, new innovations in cutting-edge technologies, new manufacturing techniques.
There's not a lot of shops out there that can fulfill on the precision and the complexity of the parts that we're making.
You need to be fast, you need to be solid and reliable on the things you do to make it to the next step. So that's what Fictiv is for.
Ultimately, it helps shorten the design cycles, shorten those design iterations, help launch products faster, and get those out to market in order to be able to advance the human condition.